$1,995 at Unique Especially in Classics. It's a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. The removable smoked top. Of course, LS power underneath the hood, 350, 5.7 liter. That is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 73,687 on the odometer right now as we take a look at that front fascia. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. And that's extendable out to 10 years, possibly. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Speaking of the front fascia, where the unique plate is right there, this car will come with the filler panel for that. It also has the privacy cargo cover that will go with it also. For the rear anyway. 507-386-1726. See the polished wheels, general radials on it. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. There are a few spots. Previous owners have touched it up. Considering year and miles, black paint, you're going to have a little bit of that, but good car. Get in, turn the key, go, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Black on black with the black leather bucket seats. Also nicely equipped with the heads-up display, dual power seats, dual electronic climate control. As you can see, we also have tinted glass on the rear. So know your local and state laws. You'll be able to see the windows up and the cover, or the top on, the target top on in the still pictures. Kind of know what percentage and darkness of tint is legal in your area. Varies from state to state. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. So we get a look at the rear of the car. You can see the black has a nice shine to it. Reflection in it. Originally an Arizona car before coming north. Has not been driven in inclement weather, and we're going to take a look underneath the hood here, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take it for a drive at the end of this video, so stick around to the end. You'll be able to see what this car is like going down the road. Kind of take a virtual tour in it, if you will. Memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, dual power seats once again, and you can see seating surfaces free of rips, tears, holes. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a C5 Corvette, including that heads-up display and automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's go ahead and start this up. Exact miles, 73,687 was it? Close that door, there it is, 73,687. Gauge is working. No warning indicator lights, ABS, service engine soon, anything like that. You can see the heads up too a little bit. Kind of tough with the light background, but there it is. Dash looks good. AC blows cold, so of course power steering, power brakes, and AC. Radio working. Dual climate control. Alright. I'm going to slip around to the back. Hear this run. Show you the headlights too. Headlights working. Order. Sounds good, nothing over the top for exhaust. So headlights, fine working shape. Take a peek underneath the hood. I noticed the bulb was taken out on the hood light there. That is in the glove box with the lens and the bulb. There's also a picture of the VIN, a picture of the RPO codes if you want to see exactly how this car is equipped. It's all in the still pictures. You can see nice, clean, tidy engine bay. In that 5.7 liter LS1. Condition of the hood, I mean, it's like I said, got a few touch-up spots here and there on it, but again, nice shine to it. Car cleaned up well in detail, nice buff and wax. Look at that engine bay. Looks good, sounds good, but very desirable and reliable power plant there also. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. See it with the top on it, and see the undersides, interior. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette, black on black. This is an automatic on the center console. This car is showing 73,683 miles currently. Factory stereo working well. Playing a good song. We got digital speedometer, heads-up display with the tachometer and oil pressure. Great acceleration in this Corvette. Battery is showing 14 volts charging, and the fuel gauge is at half tank. Temperature gauge right around 195 right now, and the oil pressure at 45. Nice tight steering in this Corvette. Comfortable bucket seats. Air conditioning is blowing cold right now. This car has a removable roof. See-through roof right now. Brakes are working well. Corners really well as a Corvette should. Lots of power. Fun to push that throttle down in this car. Really nice looking, good handling Corvette. 73,000, she's just broken in. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.